Today, July 29th, International Tiger Day. Tigers are the largest cat species, and as you all know, it is our national animal also. IUCN International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources designated tiger as an endangered species. They evolved about 2 million years ago. Project Tiger was launched in 1973 and it was launched as soon as the Wildlife Protection Act was launched in 1972. National Tiger Conservation Authority, that is NTCA, was actually set up as a statutory body under the Wildlife Protection Act in 1972. And the body works under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Let me tell you here that when NTCA declared the Project Tiger, only nine national park or wildlife sanctuary was designated as tiger reserve. Presently, there are 50 tiger reserves in our country and 2.2% of the total geographical area have been designated in India as tiger reserve. So, apart from conserving the present number of the tiger reserves, what we have lost in the past decades and in the past centuries, Government of India through Project Tiger is trying to increase the tiger population so that the balance of the ecosystem is maintained and the food chain is not broken up. So, why this day we are celebrating as International Tiger Day? Here is our Forestry Club member Akshaya Krishna of Plus 2 Biology to say about it.
On July 29, every year, we celebrate International Tiger Day. Since a lot of people around the world don't know why this day is celebrated, what is the significance of this day and what is the reason behind it, and such questions goes on. Therefore, they are not aware of the importance of this day. When more people are concerned about something, they are going to be more inclined to help. So finding solutions to these questions is more important so that we can encourage and expand the work of tiger conservation. So let's try to find some answers to these questions. Tiger, which is scientifically known as Panthera tigris, belongs to the kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Carnivora, suborder Feliformia, subfamily Pantherinae, genus Panthera. Tiger is one such animal that is a synonym to royal or majestic. In India, we have been associating tiger to being royal from centuries, and that is why our national animal has been declared as tiger. Tiger was found plenty in number in olden times. Gradually, due to cutting down of the forest range and frequent attacks of the poachers and other reasons are adding to the decline in the number of tigers. Tigers are now one of the species that are almost nearing extinction. And due to these reasons, there is an international day declared to spread awareness of tiger conservation. Global Tiger Day or International Tiger Day is annually celebrated on 29th July as a reminder of the agreement signed by countries in St. Petersburg Tiger Summit in Russia in the year 2010. This International Day is celebrated annually with the slogan, "Their survival is in our hands." This day was declared in the view of the alarming fall in the number of wild tigers.
Tigers are considered to be one of the most beautiful animals. Unlike the domestic cat, they like to spend more time in water. Their stripes on the body is unique and is similar to human fingerprints. Now, let us listen more interesting facts about tiger from Kartika and Amrita, members of our forestry club.
Tiger has a muscular body, a powerful forelimbs, a large head and a tail, which is about half of the length of its body. Tiger on an average weight of 204 kg, making the world's largest cat. It is the most recognizable for its dark vertical stripes of orange-brown fur with lighter upper side. It is an apex predator, primarily preying for deer and wild boar. Tiger cubs will stay with their mother for 2 years before they become independent and they leave their mother home to range they establish their own. There are 6 subspecies of tigers survive on today. These are Bengal tiger, Anar tiger, South China tiger, Indo-Chinese tiger, Sumatran tiger and Malayan tiger.
Here are some facts about tiger. The tiger is the biggest species of cat family. They can grow up to 3.3 meters and weighs up to 300 kilograms. The group of tiger is commonly known as ambush or streak. They are good swimmers and can swim up to 6 kilometers. Rare white tigers carry a gene that is only present in around 1 in every 10,000 tigers. These tiger subspecies are the national animal of India, Bangladesh, North Korea, South Korea and Malaysia. Tigers are the only cat species that are completely striped. They even have stripes on their skin. No two tigers have the same stripes. Like human fingerprints, the stripe pattern are unique for each individual. So, save the tigers